Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Check it out. Look at that. There it is. That is the Lake Havasu swap meet. Check it out. Over 580 vendor spaces in that thing. Look at it. They're just getting going for the season. Happens every Sunday. We're going to go look up my buddy Kurt, my win stuff. We're going to go bug the heck out of him. But also look at Lake Havasu. Look at this. Let me swing around here. Look, pretty windy. I can't stay up here very long. There's a little channel that goes under the bridge. Here's the island. That's the island with the big RV parks. There's those condos you seen on the boat ride. Look at the swimming pool, tennis courts, and voila, the world famous London Bridge aerial shot. Just past that's London Bridge Resort. There's that golf course where the car show was. Let me swing around. Sorry, it's windy. I can't stay up here long. There's the town. Look how big the town is, and the flea market, swap meet, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I thought this would be fun. It only happens on Sunday mornings. But we'll get Kurt to tell us all about it. Let's go bug him. Alright, let me get landed and let's go walk. Alright, here we go. Swap meet, London Bridge, Sundays 8 to 2. Okay. Dogs must be in a stroller or carried. You can't walk your dog here. Alright, well, let's just go wander around. Go up and down a couple rows. See what they got here. There's some dream catchers. There's a lot of dream catchers. They got dowels. Nice. Like some baskets. Cool. See, this is a true swap meet. See, here's some empties yet. They'll get going later in the season. Still November. Oh, look at these. Metal cactuses. That'd make a cool gift. I got a friend that'd make a cool Christmas gift. Didn't that look cool? Plus you don't have to water it. Alright, keep on wandering. That's some cool yard art though. Alrighty. Look how colorful. Anyway, I thought I'd just come down here, bug Kurt, check it out. I always mean to get here, and a lot of times I don't. Let's see what we got here. Stuff. More stuff. I don't have room. Oh, look at that. Motorcycle helmets. See, people sell like it's like a big garage sale, true swap meet. Got food items. The old rusty stuff. There's some boots, coins, jewelry. What's this guy do? Window tinting. Nice. Solar screens, carpet. Hi. More jewelry.
I got one. He's a bank robber cowboy.
Nice.
What's that song?
Well, how fun.
Cowboy needs a horse, needs a horse, needs a horse.
Pro black and everything.
And what do we got here? Mini donuts. Coffee, water, soda, ice cold. Good looking little trailer there too, huh? Oh, corn dogs. Look at that. Corn dogs and mini donuts. Nice. Barbecue beef. If you're hungry, get something to eat there. Alright, well, let's wander down one more row. Then we'll go look for Kurt.
Sun.
On the inside, you crack your egg, drop
There's
it
some
down.
clothing. I don't need that.
The blue line.
Everybody sells that stuff now. Some pottery. That looks pretty good.
They can find them like this. See how they
More jewelry.
they come in like so many.
Wow, that's colorful. Look at the shirts. Okay, Mr. Sign here. Hand routed signs. Working on them right there. Like mini dream catchers. Cosmetics, Mary Kay. See, this kind of stuff is fun. I can wander around these and have fun.
About 5 minutes in the car out here. Have a good one.
Okay, homemade caramels. Ooh. Arizona copper craft. There's a art working with copper. Probably some of these guys go down to Quartzsite too. And Parker, you know, don't forget about the Parker Flea Market. That's at La Paz on Saturdays. That's La Paz County Park, right next to that Pirate Cove restaurant and all that there.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we're in the back row here. Natural health remedies. Get cured. What else you got? More jewelry. Don't know what they got. Steam cleaning. You see a lot of detailers, RV detailers and stuff here. Looks like homemade jellies or jams. Stuff. Lots of stuff. True swap meet.
Maybe wash that van out.
Alright, well, let's go find crazy guy Kurt. I might get me some of these mini donuts here too. Cup of coffee. There they are. Or maybe a corn dog. I don't know. Too early for a corn dog. Maybe some mini donuts. I'll get them a little bit. Go bug Kurt first. And there it is. He's easy to spot. This is Kurt, my wind stuff. Look at all the spinners and balloons. I mean, look how big his setup. He takes up 10 spaces here. He's one of the biggest vendors here in Havasu. But these are fun. They're easy. You can throw them in your RV. Pretty cool. Look how colorful. I just love these things. Yep, there he is there. Alright, look at them things. Pretty cool. Alright, well, let's get Kurt on camera, which he's not shy. He'll tell us about the flea market here. See what else we can come up with.
Hey, good morning, Mr. RVerTV. You're just here for a hug. Hey. Hey folks, Kurt and Kendra with My Wind Stuff here at the London Bridge Swap Meet in Lake Havasu, Arizona. This is every Sunday from 8 to 2. So we'll run here every Sunday 8 to 2 until about the middle of April. So if you've never been to the London Bridge Swap Meet in Lake Havasu, Arizona, set your alarms early. 564 vendor spots here, and it's typically always sold out. So get your butts out of bed, get on down here, enjoy yourself some mini donuts, some hot coffee, heck, maybe pick up a corn dog at lunchtime. So come see us, Kurt and Kendra at My Wind Stuff, London Bridge Swap Meet, Lake Havasu, Arizona.
Hey, how are ya?
There's one deal in here that I think is really cool, that I think is notable. And we sell a lot of these, especially when it's been raining here at the desert. So I'm colorblind, so this is hard to appreciate. Well, I think, if you're not colorblind. So this is, they call it the Desert in Bloom. But when you hold this thing up to the light, you see all the 3D in it? Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Well, how fun. Alright, I'm gonna go wander. Talk with Kurt a little bit more. Then get the heck out of here. But check it out. Lake Havasu Swap Meet every Sunday, 8 to 2. Come on up here. Matter of fact, if you come by and mention RVerTV, you've seen this video, Kurt's going to give you a sticker. I'm going to leave some stickers with him. So you'll get a free RVerTV sticker if you stop by and see Kurt and Kendra and mention RVerTV. I could just watch this stuff all day long. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna head for the van, put the cameras up, come back and get me one of them corn dogs. Maybe the mini donuts. I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm gonna go play around here today. Alright, talk soon.